Hello guys, I'm here to give you a full walkthrough of SEOengine.ai, the tool that completely revolutionizes how you create blogs. With SEO Engine, you can generate SEO-optimized long-form content anywhere from 2,000 to 10,000 words using advanced AI technology. So let's get started. Here on the sign-in page, you can either sign in with Google or create your own account manually. I'm going to sign in with my Google account. Once you're inside, this is the main dashboard. On the left sidebar, you'll see the Create Workspace option. This is where you can create multiple workspaces for different projects. I've already created one workspace for myself, but let me show you how to set up a new workspace in just a few clicks. First, we start with the basics information. Workspace name. Here I'm writing website blogs. Description. A quick explanation of what your blog is about. Blog category. Choose the category that matches your niche. Blog URL. If you already have a website, add the link here. Next, choose your target audience, pick your content tone, and select your content style. Once you fill these, simply click Next. If you have multiple team members, you can add their email addresses here, assign their roles, and click Next. Now we set up permissions for your workspace. You'll see options like editors can publish content, writers can create drafts, email notifications for comments and mentions. Choose whatever fits your workflow. And that's it. Your workspace is created. Super simple. Back on the main dashboard, you'll see your credits, and right below that is the Quick Tour button. This gives you a quick overview of what SEO Engine can do. We provide 4 main features. Create a single blog post with AI. Generate multiple blog posts at once. Set up your brand voice. Now let's move to the part you're probably waiting for. Creating a blog. Here are the required fields for generating a blog. Start with your main keyword. Click Generate Title. And within seconds, you'll get SEO-optimized title suggestions. Next, let's go through the core settings. Language, article type, article size, AI model, basic, 1 credit per blog, deep research, 2 credits per blog, tone of voice, choose a tone that fits your niche, point of view, choose first, second, or third person, text, readability, decide how simple or complex you want the writing, AI content cleaning, low, medium, or heavy, target country, choose the region you're targeting. Now we have the brand voice feature. Next, in structure settings, you can choose what you want included or excluded in your blog. Then we have details to include, SEO keywords, external links. The publish to website feature is under development, so stay tuned for that. Once everything is filled, hit generate blog post, and in just a few seconds, your content is ready. See how easy it is to create a blog for your website? If you need multiple posts, SEO Engine has you covered. It works the same as single post creation, but here on the dashboard, you'll see a new button, Add Topic. Just add multiple titles here, and the rest of the settings remain the same. To save time, I'll fast forward this part since it's identical. Here you can check total posts created, published posts, drafts, total word count. You can also view all your blogs in detail. Now let's look at the brand identity section, the place we pull your brand voice from. Let me show you how to create one. Click Create Brand Kit and a pop-up will appear. Add Brand Kit name, website URL, company description, brand assets. Click Create Brand Kit and it's done. It's super simple. So that's everything about SEO Engine. How it works and how easily you can create high-quality blogs in just a few clicks. If you have any questions, comment below. And make sure to subscribe. We're starting a short series soon, so hit the bell icon to get notified. Right now, SEO Engine is totally free to try. Just go to our landing page and click Start for free. See you soon in the next video. Until then, keep creating and keep growing.